Hello guys, I will show you how you are pulling back and locking an adjuster from 3.5 3.7 liters 4V engines that use Ford Edge, Ford Explorer, Lincoln, I think Taurus also. Anyway, we already cleaned it. Now what I want inside here is the gear that is like a safety. We will pull this up. We need to remove it totally. Sorry, it's happening sometimes. Now, just to show you this one, if you like, we can clean it. We clean it already. Now, what is the point? Here inside, we need to pull this thing so well, so when you reach here, you will be able to lock it. Now, it's not showing, but approximately I'm telling you how it works. Now, to put this one back again, we need to press up the trigger that have inside. As we press, we are pressing. Yusuf, help me please to press. Press, 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 press. Correct. Leave it small. And we locked the adjuster. And we can install it to our engine. It's so simple. The most important thing is to be clean and to don't have pressure from oil. Anyway, when we put it on we position it, when the engine will peak, it will fill it, so the oil will replace automatically. And it will adjust the change. Thank you very much. We talk.